Here you go. I'm holding. You gotta chew it up first. Chew up that cupcake. Look, we have cupcake on the floor. Hold on. Ah, be careful. Don't step on it. No. Here.